The sub-bass hums inside the bone, a resonance you've always known. 4 seconds in to clear the mind, leave the linear world behind. The stereo split begins to fray as quantum phases drift away. Your sternum vibrates with sound, no longer tethered to the ground. Inhale the pressure deep and wide. There is no place for you to hide. The microtubule sparks ignite within the tunnels of the night. Inhale the void and hold the breath beyond the concepts of life and death. Release the signal to the field until the hidden is revealed. Collapse the wave and find the spark, the silent observer in the dark. Inhale and hold and then release inside the chaos. Find the peace. The Möbius loop begins to spin. Where you end is where I begin. A circular logic trapped in time, expressed in mathematical rhyme. Entanglement across the space, reflected in a stranger's face. The tarot flips a card of gold as ancient polarities unfold. 1280 beats against the wall before the final curtain fall. Sync the pulse to the amplitude, a digital state of solitude. Inhale the void and hold the breath beyond the concepts of life and death. Release the signal to the field until the hidden is revealed. Collapse the wave and find the spark, the silent observer in the dark. Inhale and hold and then release inside the chaos. Find the peace. Lock the focus, lock the will in the center, standing still. Discern the signal from the noise, restore the equilibrium and poise. Become the node, become the wire, passing through the liquid fire. Intuition threads the loom as silence starts to bloom and bloom. Inhale the light, hold the weight, release the fear, collapse the state. Become the node. Become the node. Become the node. Become the node.